Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. Aldol is a product when two molecules of aldehyde react together in the presence of dilute alkali. We are here to write that aldol condensation product of propanal CH3CH2CHO. There are certain conditions a compound need to satisfy to undergo aldol reactions. There must be the presence of carbonyl group. There must be the presence of alpha hydrogen atom. The reaction also take place in the presence of basic environment. Alpha hydrogen. The carbon which is attached to that functional group is called alpha carbon. So if you look at that propanal, CHO is the functional group. So this is the alpha carbon. The hydrogen which is attached to that alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen. So we have the two alpha hydrogen in this compound. There are two molecules of propanal. We will write like a CH3, CH2, CHO. Then another molecule CH3, CH2, CHO. In the presence of dilute NaOH. So this alpha hydrogen is very acidic. So this dilute NaOH is a base. So this abstract that the removal of hydrogen and resulting in the formation of CH3, so CH because of the removal of one hydrogen atom. So minus charge, negative charge CHO. So this is carbon ion. If you look at the second molecule of propanal, so here this CO, this you can write it like C double bond OH. So this is a partial positive charge and this one is a partial negative charge. So this is the electrophilic center. So this center will attack that carbon ion, right? So CH3, C, and then this C is attached here and double bond O and then H, then CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, and then here we have hydrogen and CHO. For better understanding, let us rewrite that this compound once again, keeping that CHO group, aldehyde group in the first position. So CHO and then CH. Then here this carbon, you can see that one methyl group is attached. So CH3. Then after that again one CH and then this carbon, one double bond oxygen. Then CH2, CH3. This compound readily undergoes protonations and this hydrogen is added to this oxygen and produces OH group. So CH3, CH2, CH, then hydrogen is added to O, so OH, then CH, alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. So this is beta hydroxy aldehyde. This is also called aldol product because this compound contains OH group, OL group and then aldehyde, Al aldehyde group. So it is called aldol product. This readily undergoes dehydration, resulting in the formation of conjugated alkene. So here, when for losing that water molecule from this OH group and that alpha hydrogen, because this is acidic hydrogen and this hydrogen will be removed, resulting in the formation of double bond. So let us write for the final product, condensation product, CH3, CH2 and then CH, CH3, then CHO. So this compound is 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. So 2-methyl pent-2-enol, 2-methyl. Thanks for watching.